When I was at Sky, I invented a quick way to get into interactive services using the number keys on a remote control. It was called a SkyKey. When I launched SkyNet, we sold £1.6 million worth of SkyKeys in a day at the BAFTA Film Theatre. And I kept some of them. This is a SkyKey awarded to, guess who? Playboy TV. So you just enter the numbers, well, Playboy 7529269, believe it or not, and it will take you through to the Playboy TV service on Sky. They get a frame. It's an annual contract. You get some support equipment. Branding guidelines for the Sky keys. Resources for developing a site. There you go. The SkyKey Playboy TV. Playboy alone would be more expensive.